New road creates new opportunities. India is the fastest growing economy in the world, and heavy earth moving industry is integral for its infrastructure development. Keeping in mind the great potential and future of this industry, Team Engineers aims at being the one-stop solution to all the customer requirements. Team Engineers are the authorized dealers of Manitou, Ajax, Volvo CE and SDLG. It was founded by the hands of Mr. Sridhar Bhatt and Mr. Ajit Bafna. They were later joined by Mr. Anandra Jore to complete the trinity of directors who started this journey with their respective expertise and collective passion for the industry.
We are committed to our vision of being the preferred organization to all our stakeholders through innovation, technology and sustained growth.
Our mission is to be one-stop solution for equipments in infrastructure development.
Our aspirations for our organization is aligned to expectations of our associates. We have created employment and provided opportunity to our team to learn and grow.
They started in 2005 with just Manitou, which was then Terex Vectra, and a team size of 5. It has now grown to 130 plus employees and dealerships of 4 of the biggest players for this industry. Our sole purpose is to serve the equipment needs in the construction and earth-moving industry.
For us, integrity is being honest and having a strong moral support.
High-functioning team can achieve more than any individual ever could working alone. As a team, we can solve complex problems, whether it's in business or in personal life.
At Team Engineers, trust is the lubrication that make it possible for organizations to work.
Change is the only constant thing in our life. Like, we can't step into the same river twice. So when we accept the change, our life become better or would be more easier.
Performance is being consistently working towards achieving your goals. A good performance leads to develop good individual growth and business growth.
Our customers are more important for us. We are providing prompt support, fulfill their requirements, supported to customers on timely response.
We deal in all types of construction equipments, including backhoe loaders, batching plants, excavators, graders, pavers, PTRs, transit mixers, vibratory compactors, wheel loaders, quick couplers, rock breakers, self-loading concrete mixers, concrete pumps and dumpers. We don't just sell, we stay with our customers in every step of the way by providing various after-sales services for our equipment like breakdown services, warranty services, productivity services and 100% genuine spares. Headquartered in Pune, we have our presence in southern Maharashtra and Goa with 10 branches across the country. Our passion speaks in the form of our 1,500 and plus happy customers and 2,500 plus machines sold, striving only to get bigger. We are Team Engineers.